Right. Welcome to my class, everybody. So in the last class, we understand about the importance of web applications in the world. And not only that, we have understand the importance of UI and UX. What is UX? What is UI? What is the role of UX designer? What is the role of UI designer? Everything we have discussed it clearly. Right, everyone? That's one. Pratik, Atil,
Yes, sir.
okay, right. We understand it is very clearly. So now we are going to continue the okay later topics. But before that, for the new students' purpose, I want to tell you. So just class related information. So class related information. Observe it, everyone. You will get sorry. Class timings will be daily 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Class days will be Monday to Friday. Course duration will be 100 days. If it is not completed 100 days, maybe 10 days, 20 days, maybe extra also I will take. Okay, no need to worry. So don't think he will complete entire thing 100 days without covering syllabus like that. So for me, student understanding is important. So we will complete or we will try to complete 100 days. But if there is any pending, I will cover those topics also by taking extra days. Okay, no need to worry about the course duration. Understanding my point? Right. Then after subjects will be UI technologies. As a part of the UI technologies, you will get HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. And after completion of all the subjects, we will design a responsive template. This is purely related to UI technologies project. Then after we'll discuss React.js with Redux. So we will develop the okay that library that React.js with Redux. I will discuss by using these two. We will design a we will develop a crowd operations project by using REST API. This is the second project. First project is responsive template. Second project is this one. And the third one is after completion of this React.js with Redux, I will discuss with you Node.js with MongoDB. Okay, everybody, right? After completion of this Node.js with MongoDB, then after I will discuss with you Stack project, which is a social media project with REST API. So totally there will be three projects. One is purely UI technologies project. Second one is the React with Redux project. Third one is the Stack social media project. Okay, everybody, understanding my point? Right, you will get live recording videos which contains notes also. Whatever the example files I will teach you, I will give you that example files. In that example files, I will explain the notes as well. Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is about this. In the yesterday class, we discussed about what is UI, what is UX. So 5 to 10 minutes, I will try to cover those topics also because new students will be easily understandable. See it, everybody. There is two terminologies. One is UI and another one is the UX. Most of the people will think both are same. No, both are different, but they have a relation. They have a relation. UX stands for user experience. UI stands for user interface. What is that, everybody? UI stands for user interface. Experience means by seeing something, we can get an experience. Okay, we'll experience something. For example, you are riding a bike on a road. You will see a traffic signal and you will see with the red color. Then what will you do? You need to stop or not? Respond, everybody. Hello. Whenever
Yes,
you're
sir.
writing, yeah, okay, right. What is that red color? That is an experience. By seeing that red color, okay, you will experience something. Okay, we need to stop like that. No traffic constable come to you. They don't tell anyone's personally. So please stop your bike. Please stop your car like that. Simply they will display red light. Then we need to stop. After 1 or 2 minutes, they will display yellow light. So that if you stop our bike, we need to get ready to start. That means we need to start our engines. After 5 to 10 seconds, again they will display green light. Then what we need to do? We need to move. So what is this red, orange, and this green colors? User experience only. By seeing that colors, we'll experience something. Okay, everybody, right? So this is how they will organize the road traffic on the road. In the same way, here also we will use user experience. Where in the web applications, of course, user experience is not our course. Okay, just a knowledge purpose I'm telling. So user experience, what they will do is, so first of all, if we want to construct a home also, what is the first thing we will do? We will design a plan. Okay, who will give you the plan? You cannot decide. You cannot write design your own plan. Government cannot approve that. He should take that plan from a approved civil engineer. So how he will give that plan? Whenever you provide proper requirements. Okay, what type of house he wants? Single bedroom, double bedroom, triple bedroom, mansion, or else a duplex, or else a villa, or else a fort. If you tell like that, then after he will design a particular plan. Understand? Depends upon the plan, we will get an idea. Okay, how many days it will take to complete? How many people we need to recruit? Okay, how much money it will take to complete that building? How much iron? How much sand? How much bricks? Everything we can calculate, and then finally we come to a conclusion. Okay, within 3 months we can complete. Within 6 months we can complete. If this is this much money we have, and this much money we need to arrange like that. How we are getting that conclusion depends upon the plan only. In the same way, if anybody want to develop any application, nobody directly writes the programming. HTML language, CSS language, directly nobody writes that programming. So every application should start from the planning only. Who will design that plan? User experience person will design that plan. So who will gather that? Okay, how he will design? By following some requirements on. So who will gather that requirements? Client will give you the requirements. So every company there will be sales department will be there. That persons will get the client by promoting about our company online or offline, however it may be. Then after they will send that clients to the business analyst. That means there will be business department also. In each and every business department, there will be business analyst will be there. He will analyze about the client's business. Then after that, they will take so many meetings, 5 to 10 minutes in that meetings also. Okay, they will conduct. Then finally, he will understand the client's business, and that business analyst will prepare the requirements. Once that requirements is completed, then that requirements they will send it to the project management. Sorry, project manager. That project manager go through that requirements, and then he will forward that requirements to the different departments related teams. For example, web application department, mobile application department, quality analyzing department. Each and every department, if it is a small company, at least there will be one team. If it is big company, multiple teams will be there. So whatever it may be, that project manager will find the appropriate team to complete that project. So then after he will send that requirements to the web application team, mobile application team, quality analyzing team. The teams also, there will be team leaders and senior employees. They also will go through the requirements. They will take 1 or 2 days. Then after they will conduct a meeting to finalize the deadline of the project and how many persons are required to complete that to complete that project within the specified time limit. Sometimes client will tell you the deadline also. Understand? Sometimes client will give you that opportunity to the company. Sometimes if it is necessary, then client will tell the deadline also. 3 months we need to complete, 6 months we need to complete like that. So whatever it may be, they will conduct a meeting and then after they will tell their plan, how they need to develop, how many people are required, how many hours they need to work, and whatever framework they need to use, technology, timeline, deadline, everything, and each and every module deadline also they will discuss. Once the deadline is, once that discussion is completed, then the project manager write down the important points, okay, in that meeting, and that important points they will send it to the sales department. What that points they will write, the deadline of the project, manpower required, how many hours, everything they will write, and each and every module duration, everything they will he will write that important points. That important point they will move to the sales department, and again that project manager and sales department persons will sit and one more time they will discuss, and finally sales department person will come to a conclusion and he will make a quotation of the application. Understanding? That's fine, everybody. Okay, once that quotation is completed, then he will send it to the client. Then after client will start bargaining and everything. So after completion of that bargains and everything, then only project will start. This is the project starting before process. Okay, today client will come, tomorrow he does not give you any project. This entire thing should happen. Okay, everybody, right? Then after what happens, then actually work will start. So server side work will start, the server side employees. Client side work will, who will start? UX designer will start. His softwares are Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Figma, whatever it may be. Any graphical software he will use. Why? Because whatever the requirements he read, that for that requirements he need to design a plan. Okay, first of all, home page. What are the sections they need to display? How much area he need to keep the logo, in which place he need to keep the logo, and what he has to display in the header, what he has to display bottom of the header. Then after in the middle part, what he has to display, footer, what he has to display, everything he will make that plan. That plan can be called as wireframe. What is that, everybody? Wireframe. Once that plan is completed related to each and every page, he will send that plan to the client. Okay. Once that client is approved by that wireframe, then we need to convert that wireframe into a markup. What is a markup? Exact images in the exact place with the sizes. Understanding my point? Responding. Whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
plan he has designed, in that plan, he will keep the appropriate images on it. Okay, everybody? Right. For example, you want to purchase a building in a constructing a building. For example, whenever you are walking on the road, like Manikonda or else Mumbai, whatever it may be, Hyderabad maybe Manikonda or else Jubilee Hills, whatever it may be, they or else any other developing area, Kukatpalli. If you are walking on the roads, they will construct some buildings. So you want to purchase a building, you want to purchase a flat in that building. What will you do? Directly do you pay the money? No. You will ask for plan. You will see the building related. Yeah, sir. How to take more money from company sales development? Yeah, later we'll discuss, Pratik. Sorry. Right. So what will you do? You will ask for the plan of the building. Then after approvals of the building, not only that, after completion of the construction, how your building will look like. That one you will ask, right? That's one area. And
Yes.
brochure that can be called. Okay, so by seeing that brochure only, you will come to an understanding. Okay, this is the total building will look like. This is how your apartments will be look like. Then after, how your flat will look like. Outside, how it will be. Inside, how it will be. And how it will be. Each and every bedroom, how it will be. Bathrooms, how it will be. Balcony, everything. Puja room, everything you will check. Then only if you are paying, if you are interested, then only you will pay the money. So what is that brochure? That is also a user experience part only. By seeing that only, you will come to a experience. Okay, this is the home I want, like that. Or else this is not the home I want. Whatever it may be, you will get good experience, also you will get bad experience also. Understanding or understanding? Because,
Clear, sir.
okay, right. So once you satisfied with that brochure, then only you will pay the money. In the same way, he also, client also, once he is satisfied with the wireframe, then he will ask us, ask the UX designer to convert that into a markup. Once he is once he is satisfied with this markup, then he will ask us to convert that markup into a web page. So to convert that markup into a web page, we should use HTML and CSS. By using HTML and CSS, we can convert that UX image into a user interface web page. So by using user experience, we can experience something. By using interface, we can interact with the application. For example, I will show you. Wait one second. See it, everybody. Observe my cursor. What is here, mouse? Wireframe. Because respond. What is this? Wireframe. So what are you seeing here? A plan only. Left side menu is there. And observe the right side. What is here? Markup. So left side menu is there. Observe here. What is there? Menu icon. Center what is there? Logo. On center what is here? Logo only. This is what search. And what is here? Search only. So this is the plan. This is the implementation. Respond everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. And whenever you see any box with a cross symbol, you should understand there is an image. Depends upon the size, you can understand how much size you should keep an image. See it, profile image, here also profile image, profile name and details here, social media icons related to that profile, social media accounts related to that profile, see it, post, likes, hash means count, likes, that related count, shares, that related count, here also you can observe, shares, that related hash, comments, hash means count, comments, count, camera, chart, home, alerts, settings. What is that? To fulfill these requirements, they need to have an image. See it, everybody, they are not writing here CAMERA, camera. human chatting. They are not writing that. Simply they are displaying here icons only. Okay, everybody. So once this client, he will send this both wireframe. Once he approved by the client, then he will convert it to markup. Once this is also approved by the client, then he will convert this into a web page. Now understand? Respond everyone. Because you are not responding. Hello.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, right. Johnny, understanding? Johnny Rajput. Hello. Okay, right. So we need to convert this UX image into an interface. To convert that into an user interface, what we need to do? We need to use HTML and CSS. Right. Now let's come to this HTML related interaction. So whenever you want to learn any particular technology, we should know who developed the technology, what is the purpose of the technology, and what is possible with this technology. This is the primary and basic things we should know. Understanding and understanding everybody. This is the primary and basic things we should know. Then automatically you will get 50% of the subject. This is not just a dummy part. Who developed, why he developed, what is the purpose, and what is the limitation of the technology. Automatically you will get 50% of the subject properly. Then remaining things 50% is technical stuff only. Understand that my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. First of all, observe here what is this? Who developed this HTML? What is that, everybody? Who developed HTML? So if anybody, okay, right. So who developed this? If anybody asks you who developed HTML, immediately should answer as Tim Berners-Lee. He is a great person. He developed this HTML language. He developed this HTML language. Okay, everybody, right? He developed this HTML language, right? So if anybody develops anything, there should be some purpose. For example, some developer will develop a building. Why? To play cricket. Or else to sell that homes. That's what everybody. To sell that home. Understanding that my point. You are also coming here. Why? To learn this course, UI full stack. So if anybody coming here means they need to learn this technology. In the same way, if anybody do anything, there should be some purpose. In the same way, he also developed HTML language. Why? Because to create the web pages or a website. What is that, everybody? Web pages are a website. Then after, what is a website? What is a website? Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains information. Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains information. Okay, everyone? Kindly rest. Right. Sir, why collection of web pages? For example, you want to read a book. Okay, what a book contains information. So how they will display that information in a book? How they will display that information in a book? Entire information, do they display in a single page? Immediately respond, everyone. Don't be silent. Entire information, do they write in a single page? Respond, everybody. We are purchasing a book to read that information. How they are displaying that information? Entire information, do they are displaying in a single page? Respond.
No, sir.
No. Okay, what they will do? They will divide that entire information into chapters. What they do, everybody? They will divide that entire information into chapters. And again, each and every chapter, what they will do? They will divide into paragraphs. If any images are required, they will keep that images also. So entire information they are dividing into entire information they are dividing into chapters. Each and every chapter they were dividing into paragraphs. If any images are required, they will keeping that images also. After completion of all these things, they will make an index page. Why? To make reader comfortable. Which chapter is in which place. For example, somebody will read chapter 1 and chapter 2. After 2 days, they want to read chapter 3. But if they don't write that index, they will forget what is the page number. Again, it will take a lot of time to find that. Of course, lot of time means 10 to 15 minutes easily it will take. Okay, so that's why they will make index also. Why? To make it comfortable to the reader. In the same way, if you want to develop a website, okay, we need to, what purpose what purpose we will design a website? To share the information. So in that case, if you are writing all the information in a single page, okay, it will be very difficult for the user to find particular type of information. That's why that information we need to divide into multiple pages, and each and every page related things we'll keep in like a menu. For example, see it everybody. I will show you it here. Mintra. So in the Mintra, they will sell the men related clothes, women related clothes, kids related clothes, and not only that, home related things, towels, okay, beds, and these things also, they bed sheets and floor lamps, ceiling lamps, everything they will sell, and beauty related things also they will sell. Gen Z, okay, this type of things. So whatever the things they will sell, first of all, they will keep in here like a menu. Why? To make comfort to the user, to provide comfort for the user. Understanding and understanding everybody. So that what type of things they want to purchase, they will purchase one by one. For example, I want to do family shopping online. First of all, I will purchase for myself. Then after my wife purpose, of course, I'm not married, general I'm telling. Then after my kids purpose, then after home purpose, if I want to purchase anything, okay, like that, I will do it. So what I'm doing, I will dividing into multiple things, multiple menus. Then after each and every related things, I will display it every, for example, t-shirts. Click it. What I'm getting here, everybody? Am I getting here men t-shirts or women t-shirts or bed sheets and everything we are getting? Respond even. Each and every product in the Myntra we are getting, or only men t-shirts we are getting?
Every product.
No. Every product in the Myntra is only men t-shirts.
Using an offline
Yes.
library that we are handling.
What is that? What are we getting, everybody? Only men t-shirts we are getting. Of course, men t-shirt related each and every product we are getting, but not all the products in the Myntra. For example, there are so many products. All these products we are not getting, only men t-shirts. Why? Because it is very comfortable to the user. Okay, and see there, but I want to purchase the t-shirt. I'm clicking here. Where they are displaying this image, information. For example, I'm getting this so much information. Where they are displaying here. Where they are displaying here.
A new page.
In a new page. Why? Because it is very comfortable to the user. First of all, they will display all the products. Whatever the product you want to purchase, you can, if you want, you can check the details in a separate page, so that users will feel more comfortable also. They are not displaying all the details in this page only. Basic information they are displaying, total information they are displaying in a separate page. So what they are doing, they are dividing this application into multiple pages. Since they are dividing into multiple pages, users are feel so much comfortable. Clear it, everybody? But all these web pages are belongs to one particular application, that is called web application. And what it contains? Information. For example, see here, what are you getting here? Information only. No, sir, we are getting here image. How can you tell that image? How can you tell it is an information? See, this images also information about my shop. What are the products I have? What are the models I have? What are the colors I have? What are the sizes are available? What are the sizes are not available? What is that? Information only. So here we are getting the information in the form of images as well as text also. Understanding my point? Responding. Hello. Hello. Understanding or not respond? See it, everyone. Website is nothing but collection of web pages, right? We are dividing our website into multiple pages or not? Respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What each and every web page is containing? Information or not? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Information means what is the things most of the freshers or else any other persons will think? Information means only text like that. But actually, what is information actually means? Data of the application. So, for example, this vendor has Levi's t-shirts. This is the colors are available. Okay, this is the size are available. And for each and every color, size also will vary. See, for this, M is not available. L and SL is available. Okay, everybody, what is this? Information only. So that's what I'm telling. Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains the information. For example, in the Myntra, we'll get information in the form of images and text. In the YouTube, you will get information in the form of video. In the Cuckoo FM, you will get the information in the form of audio. In the Wikipedia, you will get the information in the form of text, sometimes images also. But whatever it may be, in the each and every web application, you are getting information only. What are you getting? Information only. Information is nothing but data. That's why all mobile companies will keep as data plans like that. Some people will confuse. We are using internet, but why they are not keeping as internet plans? Why they are keeping as data plans like that? Okay, internet means connection network. Okay, to establish the network, they should not charge for you. That is their business. They need to invest on that. Why they are charging? Through that network, they are providing the information, nothing but data. So you are accessing their data by using that internet only. Understanding? Respond. Each and every word has proper meaning. Hello, respond everyone.
Yes.
Okay, so since they are transferring the data through their network, that's why they are charging for you. Okay, everyone, that's why they are keeping us data plans like that. Okay, so data plans means we'll think that why they are keeping a data plans, why not internet plans like that? Actually, so that is internet is nothing but connecting each and every computer to one particular server. This networking connections can be called as internet only. Okay, for that purpose, they should not charge for you. That is their business. They should invest on that only. Through that this thing, okay, through that internet network, yeah, they are sharing the information. For that purpose, they are charging for you from you. Right. And if you observe that there is two terminologies, websites and web applications. Now respond everyone, what is the difference between websites and web application? As per your knowledge. Websites and a web application. What is the difference? No, sir, both are same like that you are thinking. Okay, what are
Web
you-
applications contain websites. Sorry, websites contain web applications.
Sorry, web?
Websites contain web applications.
Okay, right. Then after any other persons, Johnny, Pratik, Vikas. Yeah. See it everybody, whenever internet evolved, then only websites came. So in that case, at that time, particular time, website purpose is only sharing the information. What that everybody? Only sharing the information. Any user come to that particular website and he can read the information about that website. Okay, right. But interaction also very less. They can scroll up, they can scroll down, and they can go to different pages. That's it. They cannot make any interaction through the application. What is that? They cannot make any interaction through the website. Just they can read the website. So websites are nothing but just the information providers. We cannot interact through the application. Okay, we cannot interact with any other person through the application. So those websites comes under Web 1.0 version. What is that everybody? Web 1.0 version. After 5 to 10 years, web applications came. Okay, that is comes under Web 2.0 version. What that means? What happens through the application? We can okay, we can interact with the other persons through the application. We can interact with the other persons through the application. Okay, for example, anybody knows about Yahoo Messenger? Anybody used it in your childhood, whatever it may be? Yahoo Messenger. At least, do you heard that name? Respond, everyone. Yahoo Messenger.
Yes, yes. I have used it.
Yeah. So what are you doing there in the Yahoo Messenger? There will be lot of rooms. So we need to first of all sign up. Then after we need to log in. Then after we'll go to the rooms and we'll find any strange person, we'll chat. So how are we chatting? Through the Yahoo Messenger. That means through Yahoo Messenger is the application. Through that we are chatting. That means we are interacting with some other person through the application. So Yahoo Messenger, these things comes under Web 2.0, web applications. So web applications nothing but okay, which will provide interaction through others also. Okay, everybody, for example, Facebook. Okay, first of all, Yahoo Messenger. Then after Orkut came. After Orkut, what is there? Facebook came. Then after nowadays we are chatting with Instagram also. We are chatting with WhatsApp also. So many things we are doing. Of course, through Facebook also. So these are all comes under Web 2.0. Sir, only social media only consider? No, not only Facebook and these things. Naukri.com. For example, you will create your profile in the Naukri. Okay. So then after you will find a job. You will search some job. You will get some jobs also. Have you ever think who is posting that? Who is posting? I will register as a vendor and I will post a job. Or else I will register as a consultancy, or else I will register as a company in the Naukri. I will post a job also. And somebody will search for the job. For example, Java developers. They will find my yard. Then after what they will do, they will apply. Once they apply, what happens? Whoever apply, that person related resume, I will get to my email. So here also interaction is happening through emails. Understand my point? Directly we are not speaking, but we are interacting. Okay, employer and employee interacting through Naukri. Understanding and respond, don't be silent. See, if you respond, then only I will get confidence you are understanding like that. Or else at least still I'm not understanding. Still
Yes,
anything.
sir.
Okay, right. So Naukri.com, what are you doing? Employer is posting a job and whoever wants employee, job seeker. Job provider will post a job and job seeker will apply. How they are communicating through the Naukri.com. So that is also comes under Web 2.0. Nowadays, each and every website is comes under Web 2.0 only. Okay, that's why we are calling it as web applications. Why? Because we are communicating through the application. Same way here, Myntra also. Some vendors will post these products. Then after some users will purchase this. Then after what happens if there is any problem or anything, they will contact through Myntra only. Okay, everyone? Right. So and whatever the amount we pay, that first they will go to the vendor, automatically they will deduct the percentage also. Myntra person will deduct the percentage also. So money transactions also happening. How? Through this application only. Okay, everybody. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So that is the difference between websites and web applications. Somebody will ask in the interview, what is the difference between Web 1.0 and Web 2.0? Or else what is the difference between websites and web applications like that? That's why I'm telling this point. Don't think I'm teaching any unnecessary stuff. He is lagging the class like that. Don't think like that. Each and everything, whatever I'm discussing here, that is very helpful for your career. Okay, right. That's it. So this is about the website and web application differences. Then after, what is the purpose of the web page or website? What is the purpose? To share the information across the world. So just now I told, what is a website or web application? It will share the information across the world. Okay, right. What are each and every website contains? Just now I told, it will contain only information. For example, in the YouTube, you will get the information in the form of video. Wikipedia, you will get the information in the form of text. Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, there you will get the information in the form of images with the text. Kuku FM and any other applications like that, you will get in the form of, you will get the information in the form of audio. Clear it, everyone? Respond please. Okay, right. For example, I will design a website or else I will develop a web application or else website. Automatically entire world can see that. Respond, everyone. Automatically entire world can see that. Definitely not. It cannot able to see. Who can see? As a developer, only you can see that. But entire world cannot see that. Why? Because if you want to display that your application to the entire world, we need to make okay a purchase. What is that? We need to purchase two things. Where? In the internet. That means www, World Wide Web. We need to purchase two things. What is that? Domain name and hosting space. What is that, everybody? Domain name and hosting space. Understanding that my point? Okay. Sir, what is this domain name, sir? What is this domain name, sir? For example, observe here, Myntra.com. What is this domain name or application name? Gmail.com. What is that domain name? Google.com. What is that domain name? YouTube.com. What is that domain name? X.com. Twitter. What is that domain name? So each and every application should have a name. However, each and every human being has a name. In the same way, each and every application should have a name. That name can be called as domain name. Sir, who will sell these domain names? Google will sell you that. Yahoo will sell you that. GoDaddy will sell you that. Big Rock will sell you that. Okay. How they will sell? First of all, they will say display a search box. In that search box, whatever the domain name you are expecting, you need to search. If the domain is available, then only they will sell it to you. Or else they don't sell it to you. So each and every domain name is unique. Each and every domain name is unique. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Hello?
Clear, sir.
Right. And what is the second thing we need to purchase? Hosting space. Sir, why should I purchase the hosting space, sir? Very simple. For example, you are developing an application. Whenever you want to develop the application, we need to save it. We need to write the code or not? Respond. We need to write code or not?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you write a code, we need to execute. So how to execute without saving? Can you execute the code? Without saving the file, can you execute the code?
No, sir.
So whenever you save, what happens? It will occupy some space in your hard disk. Of course, nowadays SSD also, but whatever it may be, it will occupy some space in your computer's memory. Right, everybody? 1 MB, 2 KB, whatever it may be, they will occupy some space. In the same way, how many files you have written and you have saved, that much space it will occupy in your hard disk. So in the same way, you should occupy that space in the internet, www also, World Wide Web also, you need to occupy that space. They cannot. Why? Because World Wide Web is nothing but connecting our all the computers to a particular server. Understand, everybody? In the World Wide, they will maintain different servers like Google, Yahoo, so many people. Okay, that means very rich people will maintain that servers. Okay, everybody, we need to connect through internet, through that servers only. How we will connect? Through Hathway Net, through Yak Fiber, any internet thing we can connect. Then after they will connect to them finally a main server. So however it is occupying some space in your hard disk, in the same way your application should occupy some space in the server. So that server space they cannot sell it for free because they need to maintain the server side. So that's why they will charge for you. Understanding my point? Respond, everybody. That's why they will charge for you. Okay, so we need to purchase the domain name and the hosting space. And this domain name is linked with that hosting space only. This particular domain name will link with that hosting space only. For example, see it, everybody, what I am typing. What I am typing here, everyone. Respond in the URL. Myntra.com or not? Hello. So Myntra.com. Whenever you type here Myntra.com, automatically this page is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, am I giving any prompt? Open home page, open about page like that? No. Whenever I type there Myntra.com, automatically this page is coming. Why? Because this domain name is linked with this Myntra.com related hosting space also. From that, automatically this page is coming. Sir, how this automatically this page will come, sir? Very simple. So each and every application should contain index as its file name. So if any application is containing an index as its file name, automatically that file will call. Automatically that file will call. So they are keeping a name called index in their hosting space. In that index page, they are writing this code to display this web page like this. So that's why whenever you type here Myntra.com, okay, the request is going to that okay, that hosting space. That means that to that server. From that server, there is a file called index is there. Automatically, this page is opening here. So whenever you are also developing an application, whatever the main page is there, whatever the main page, whatever the thing you want to display starting, for that page, you need to give the name as index. What is it, everybody? Index. Automatically, that file will call. Okay, everyone? Right. This is how we will share the information across the world. Okay, so one more time listen. What is the purpose of the web page? To share the information across the world. But whenever you design the any application, directly nobody in the world can see that. We need to purchase domain name, that means application name, and we need to purchase hosting space. That means which will contain our files in the server. So whenever you are developing the application, we should write the code in the multiple pages. On each and every file we should save. Whenever you are saving, whatever the main file is there, that file name you should save as index. That is mandatory. Then automatically that index page will call from that application. Whenever the user types the your domain. Clear it, everyone? Right. Sir, where should I purchase the hosting space? www. www stands for World Wide Web. Sir, again, who developed this World Wide Web? Again, he is Tim Berners-Lee only developed World Wide Web. Clear it, everyone? Clear respond? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. So let's leave it like this, everyone. Leave it like this. Monday class we'll meet. We'll discuss about the HTML and we'll start the practical class also from the Monday. Okay, everybody. So interested students try to make the payment by today or tomorrow. Okay, everybody. Why? Because by Monday link will be changes. Okay, everyone. Hello, Johnny Pratik and
Yes.
okay, right. Thank you very much, everybody. We'll meet on Monday. We'll continue. Thank you very much, everyone. Hope this session is helpful for you. Right. Thank you very much, everyone. Monday will be.